Good morning! Welcome back to my channel. My name's Marissa. I'm a bridal hairstylist. Today I'm going to be taking you through another work a wedding day with me. It is currently 6 a.m. Your girl is tired. I had a wedding yesterday and I didn't get home until like 6. I was out of the house from like 8:15 in the morning to go to the wedding. It was only like an hour away, but I went to the gym right after, so I didn't get home till like 6 p.m. My poor dogs. Although I am very proud of them. There were no messes when I got home. Kind of a chaotic morning. Just got to my car. Brad was running late, so he was running all over the house and I was just trying to help him get ready for work. About to head to the wedding. Got like a 45-minute drive down to Center City. Today I'm doing the bride plus 4 guests. I have my girl Taylor helping out, and then I'm going to be following her to the venue to do touch-ups. So I'll take you guys along. Let's go.
University to do it with me, and so I set up all of the initial materials, and based on a miscommunication, I'll just put it that way, he ended up
girl, so I like have to layer.
Yeah, I don't know.
I like have to use it.
For it. So, I mean, I didn't use it for the lights.
Just got home. It is 4 p.m. What a long day. Words are hard for me right now. My soul literally left my body when I was at the venue doing touch-ups for her. I was so hungry. All I had was a protein shake in the morning, which is pretty normal. And typically if I'm staying for touch-ups, I'll bring like snacks or something, and I forgot. And I was starving. So first stop was Taco Bell. I ate 2,000 calories on my 40-minute drive home. Yes, I did. If eating and driving was an Olympic sport, I would be a gold medal. Had so much fun today. What a fun bridal party. So we got ready at the hotel in Center City, and then I followed and traveled to the venue, and I don't always get to see the venue, so that was really fun for me. I've never been to that venue before, but I've done quite a few brides who get married there, so it was gorgeous. Such a beautiful venue. Her flowers and everything was so beautiful. After weddings, I literally hit a brick wall where like my social battery is 0. I am totally exhausted. So I'm gonna go inside, I'm gonna catch up on my Handmaid's Tale and become alone on my couch with my girly pops. Thank you so much for hanging out with me at today's wedding. I love you so much. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.